How to turn off comments of Facebook profile picture. Let's see over here. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the first thing is you need to open up your Facebook application on your device, and if you have got multiple accounts, make sure to log into the account in which you want to make the change. So once you are logged in, you will be able to see the home page of Facebook, from where you will be able to explore the various news feed or news. So for turning off your comments on Facebook profile picture, you need to tap on your profile at the left upper corner, and after that you have to tap on your profile and you have to go for see profile picture option. So over here, if you tap on the three dotted vertical line in the right upper corner, you won't be able to see any option for turning off the comment. So for that, you need to find your profile picture on your feed or as a post. For that, you have to scroll a little bit where you'll be able to see your profile picture as a post. So here you have to tap on the three dotted horizontal line in the right hand side of the profile picture, and you'll be able to see who can comment on your post option. Simply tap over there and you'll be popped out with this option. So the options are public, friends and established followers, friends, profiles and page you mentioned. So here is no any option for turning off, but instead at last you can see there is a profiles and page you mentioned. So if you check over here, only profile and page you mentioned will be able to comment on your profile picture. Other than that, no one will able to comment on your profile picture. So you have to simply tap on done option and you'll be able to fix this issue. So this is how you turn off comments of Facebook profile picture. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.